Hello. This is a tutorial to hopefully fix some of the microphone issues that your children may be experiencing. We've been hearing a lot of complaints from students and parents that the teachers and their kids can't hear them, that the microphone's just not working at all. And for some situations, that might be the case. The microphone could be actually broken or defective, which means you would probably need to contact the help number on the box that came with the device, or contact the school and we can provide you that information ourselves. However, for a lot of them, we're discovering it's just the volume of the microphone has been set so low that the kids can't be heard. So it's a simple slide of a bar to fix that. So hopefully this will walk you through a quick troubleshooting. So if you want to check the microphone volume of your device, you would begin with at the bottom left corner, right next to the start button. It has this type here to search with the magnifying glass. And I'm going to click in there and start typing the word sound. And when I see sound settings pop up right here, I'm going to come to the middle and click right here where it says open. Now, when my sound settings open, at the top, it opens up with my speaker volume check. I'm not going to worry about any of that information because right now my speakers are fine. The only reason you would need to worry about this is if for some reason your child can't hear anything from their class. If they can't hear their teacher or their classmates talking to them, then maybe the volume of the speaker is turned down. But we're going to come down to the microphone section, which I can tell is working because I can see it's moving as I talk. But for some reason, if this is still happening, a kid still can't be heard by others, let's check the volume. So right here where it says device properties, this blue word it says device properties, sorry. Click on that. And as you can see, there's a volume bar. Mine is set up to the max to make sure maximum, volume. But for a lot of our kids, it's probably just low. As you can see, I'm going to keep talking, and you can hear. I'm sure it's much harder to hear what I'm saying. So we're noticed that if the kid's volume is so low that it will not be detected in Teams, and it sounds like they're not even talking. So it's very important that the volume is at a high enough level for everybody to be able to hear your child. Also, there's a box right above that that says disable. We want to make sure that's unchecked because if it's checked marked, then we're saying to disable the microphone, which means to turn it off, and we don't want to have the microphone turned off. Also, on some of your Connected Futures devices, I don't have it, but on the side in some of them, there's an additional blue line that says Microsoft privacy. I'm sorry, not Microsoft, microphone privacies settings. If you click on that, you want to just make sure that it is, the privacy settings do allow for you to use a microphone for different apps like Teams. So that way it's enabled when you want to use those apps. So hopefully this will be a simple fix for the volume issue and we can resolve the microphone and here are your students just fine in class. Thank you.